Hi, welcome to TGN YouTube channel. Today we will be unboxing the new Alta Labs Wi-Fi 6 outdoor access point. This is IP68 rated. Okay, so this is the box. All right, you have some explanation here at the back. Okay, you can pole mount it. There's a wall mount included, and definitely you can control using the app and add it into your cloud control. Okay, so let's open up and see what's inside. It's really a little bit heavy. Okay. So let's remove the whole package. It even includes the cable tie. Okay, this is the wall mount. These are the screws. And this is the quick user guide. So you have one quick user guide, screws, wall mount. Okay. It's definitely made of metal. Okay, because using it on the outdoor environment. Okay. Two cable tie. Let's remove this unit. Oh, okay, so we have some heatsink pins at the back. This is for the pole mount and the IP68 rated the socket. Okay, so you have the RJ45. Okay, you have a light as per normal, and this is the unit itself. Now let's compare this with the standard AP6 which I have here. All right, so this is the AP6 Professional, similar in shape, slightly larger. Okay, you can see here, slightly larger. Similar back, similar backing, and this is the comparison in terms of the size for the indoor unit for AP6 Pro, and this is the AP6 Outdoor. Okay, so this is the AP6 Outdoor here, AP6 Pro Outdoor here. It is 4x4, powered by PoE+. Alright, this is the AP6 Pro Outdoor. Thank you very much.